There's one straight ahead also. So I'm just walking.
Where?
Right in front of you. I think. The path.
Where's two?
Not who, according to the tortoise.
Where?
There's one here and one over coming up behind this shrub. One further away that's even closer. Oh, look at the one on the left on it. Oh, look, it's almost hitting. Is that one?
Oh, that's a good one.
Which one?
That, the way he's looking.
No, don't look him. Don't look at his eyes.
Alright, what's he gonna
If
do?
you keep staring at his eyes, he'll roll his eyes back and then you won't.
He's rolling his eyes because saying, wow, tourists again. I'm not going to investigate too much.
Turtle poop.
From here.
Happy, I'm turning white.
Okay.
Wow!
उधर जा रहा था अंदर.
Jao.
Go. You move.
Go too close. That is the pond.
Let me see.
That is the pond over there.
Oh, there's one there. There.
Ronnie, come back. Let's see. It's closer to 10 feet now. So what?
The tortoise, it was trying to do something like a jerky movement.
Happy tortoise.
Yeah. There's one coming up straight ahead. The two of the one on the left one is straight ahead. Oh, look at this one. Look at this. Awesome.
No, they're not crossing.
Go straight. Your dad can take that, you take that.
Where's the other face? You don't even see it. Fine, see that? 1, 2, 3.
Bye, puppy.
Ye liya.
Ah,